When lifting heavy objects, you should bend your knees, squat down, keep your back straight, and lift with your legs. Let me show you the technique. If that didn't look fun, it wasn't. Things get heavier when you get older, but old or young, it's unnecessary wear and tear on your body. And let me tell you what else. Once you've wrestled a heavy tire and wheel in the air, lining it up to slide over the wheel studs is no picnic either, and when you do this for a living, you need a better way. BendPak just introduced a much better way with their RWS-200WL rechargeable battery-powered wheel lift. This new lift eliminates the strain of lifting heavy wheels. If that alone sounds good, let me show you its features, and I bet they will make you say, I need one of these in my shop. Since this is a rechargeable, battery-powered lift, it is truly mobile and can go wherever you need it to in the shop. No air hoses to tangle, drag, or trip over. And it uses a 24-volt system to deliver greater lifting capacity, faster rise times, and improved performance under load. But don't just take my word for it. Let's see it in action. The RWS-200WL was designed for the heavier wheels and tires that are common on popular trucks and SUVs and has a capacity of 200 pounds. Now, take a look at these outriggers. These are designed to sit extremely close to the ground, so it's easy to roll big, heavy wheels in place. You're going to like this. Compressed air lifts are often spongy or jerky in operation, but the electric system of BendPak's new lift delivers smooth, precise control for easy and accurate centering of the wheel on the hub. Integrated lower and side rollers allow you to manually rotate the wheel for final alignment of the lug bolts, and the offset carriage arms leave access for removal and installation. User-friendly touches include an onboard 12-volt accessory outlet, quick glance battery status indicator, and integrated smart charger that accepts 110 or 240 volt AC input without the need for transformers, making the RWS-200WL job ready anywhere in the world. The new RWS-200WL from BendPak has it all: mobility, performance, and comfort, and the quality you expect from BendPak. For more information, visit BendPak.com. Thanks for watching. I'm Eric Garba, coming to you from the BendPak Garage from the BendPak's studio.